Namaste. This is DB Prakash, Director from Institute of Practical Accountants. IPA has been bringing out so many videos, so many seminar Zoom sessions, and then we have got employability skill test online test also. We have brought out so many expert meetings on special subjects like your topics of your income tax, finance, management, management information systems, updates on your communication skills, how to face the interview, accounting, so many aspects from the top experts, top experts and book authors. We have brought out so many topics and so many videos also. In this direction, we wanted to guide basically the accounts and finance people like a commerce and BCom, MCom, MBS. Those are not only that's all freshers with a XP, I mean like our 21 years to 60 years persons, like our retired persons also, housewives, everybody. They have because there is no limit for jobs in accounts and finance throughout the worldwide. That's the reason we are organizing course called as a global accountant course with comprising 6 courses. That's the reason. Okay, so now the present topic what we are going to I mean discuss wanted to talk on that is, do you need special skills to get a good job? I want to have a I want to have my dream job. Is your dream job is so and so? I want to become a good finance executive in a some good top finance industry. Or if I want to get a job in a good MNC bank, like where you talk about Bank of America, I want to go to a top level. Or I want to be like a tax advocate in a high court and Supreme Court. Like, can I go in that angle? Because you see, nowadays, advocates, they have got a very good, I mean, like your remuneration. They get a very good packages. I mean, it's not like a salary. They have been working. They get good amount of, if you get a name that is, sir, do you have to go for that? Or do you want to go into a industrial side manufacturing companies as a accounts manager or accounts director? Which level I have to go? What is the this time? So for that, how to prepare myself, how to target my job. That's the reason you need to have special skills. Do you need a special skill, or is just my BCom is enough? Or MCom is enough? MBA is enough? What is that? I wanted to know. Somebody came to me yesterday. Somebody was saying that, sir, I want to have investment banking account. Investment banking. What is it? Somebody says that, sir, I want to go as a financial consultant. I wanted to know about our, financial, this management consultancy regarding the finance part of it. Somebody says, I want to be expert on a share market. Do you need to know about that? So that's the reason which industry, which line, which active do you want to go? You need to have a special skills. You need to prepare for that. That's the reason you definitely need to have special skills. Before that, suppose if you are going for a MNC company, as I told you already in my previous videos, if you are going for a MNC company, first you study about which MNC company, what sort of MNC company, what sort of a jobs they offer for a BCom or a MCom or a MBA. Are you interested in that? Do you have can you put you do you have a passion for that job to work? Just like that, working and coming back is not good. Suppose, do you want to go into a, like, sir, I want to have a uh, big job where I will be like a sort of a secretarial job, like I wanted to handle company company meetings, board meetings, meeting with all the directors. That will be a good job. I want to work. Okay, then you work as a assistant to assistant secretary, assistant to company secretary. If you want to go like a, you can join with that, like in a company secretarial job. There, then you can pursue your company secretary course. If you want to go for a management consultancy, like cost and management, CMA, manage management accountant course, like chartered accountant, like your financial planning. So like that, there are a different fields, different areas, which line I wanted to have it, which skills I wanted to have it. Surprisingly, I wanted to talk about one person. Whatever examples we take, those are the practical examples, contemporary examples, what we take it in there. There was a person that is in a, I don't want to make a company name. He used to say that, he used to working as a, he was working as a, like a, in a company, like a, junior manager or assistant manager, like as a engineer. But the thing is that he wanted to go to a other bigger company in that same line, bigger company. That company he wanted to go and then grow there. He's having qualification is fine, but the thing is that it is the, they have, so he was watching, he was watching the top company, how to go, how to grab, I mean, how to go and settle there, because there meant to say that is my life is settled. Wanted to go there, but he was watching this thing. There was an advertisement. There was an advertisement saying that you have to be like a, we need a manager for this product, in this particular location. That the product part of it is not aware of that product. What he has to do? Qualifications are matching, that product is not, what he has done, he has just put his mind on that. Yes, they wanted to handle the person who knows knowledge of this product. What he has done, what he has done. So he had a 2 months time. He left all his, he said he concentrated. First, I should know because they will ask me, pose the questions only regarding that product only. That's the reason he put his all efforts in that, and then day and night sat in the library, studied about that product, plus everything. What is that product? How they manufacture? What are the defects and the competitive products? Everything. He got so much of knowledge. He was a thorough. He said, anybody will come and ask me the questions, I am there to fight and then fire. So he was like a fire when he went. So he has got so much of confidence. Once you study, when you get the, then automatically you get that strength, you get that power. That's the reason he just got the. So then he went there. He stood, I mean, he said in the interview, when they saw his way of, he was so much of confidence in the face. He was asking, they were also stunned at his way of answering. He answered all. Immediately they said, okay, we offer you the job. He became the director of the company also. And that's a reason what I'm trying to say, that you need to have a special skills. That means first you study where you want to go. You study that job, which job you wanted. He said that you have to, you see, this candidate should have preparation of financial statements, everything. And immediately you need to concentrate what is the nature of job he's asking, then focus on that. Get all those skills, get all those skills. First thing, you have to be general accountant, like generally about as an accountant. What I mean to say that, first of all, you are a BCom or a MCom man with our, what I'm talking about, because we are training you in all subjects, like practical accounts, like generally you have got a like a GST, everything in a good. The fundamentals are a platform you have. Now you need to have a special skills in that. Suppose if they're asking, especially on that in the corporate balance sheets, and then we need to have a person who will handle about this accounts payable or accounts receivable, about financial statements. Somebody said it's financial planning, who you need to have a share market, like your shares, company analysis, like a Frankel, if you want to go to Frankel Templeton, other companies who deal with all your finance instruments. You should know about the bonds. You should know about that, whatever the deposits, loans, like that. What are the products? What are the products? Which line I have to have? I have to have those skills to pursue the career in that. That will be a wonderful. So you need to acquire special skills. Somebody says that, you need to have a say there. If I wanted to, and one thing, if you wanted to go for a higher the positions, definitely you need to have good communication skills. Corporate, that is what we call business English, how to write those letters. I have been advising my students, please read the business journals, Business India, Business World. Those are all the journals. And also, I say that always carry dictionary of accounts and finance. These are the terminology terms you go through every day, the definitions and all. This is a corporate journals. You read them, you read that language, you get that grip on that language. Watch business news channels, that will also give you this all like your special skills, that will definitely help you to choose you. So never attempt for a job without proper preparation. Then you can mention in the biodata, yes, whatever he's saying, in that same things, like I have been, I have got a good understanding of these areas, like that is the most. Okay. So in IPA, we have been providing value added services, meant to say, we have brought out so many experts, CH, chartered accountants, practicing chartered accountants, cost accountants, company secretaries, professors, HR people, so many in accounts and finance part of it on various topics, not only interviews, other grooming, sharpening the skills of the paper, that is in that angle. All the commerce and management people, we request, you can look into our course also. Your skills, assessment skills, we have a job aptitude test, employability skill test also. You can go to our website www.ipaindia.net. We have been for improving the skills. We have a course called as a global accountant course. Global accountant course is comprising about the six courses, that is practical accounting, practical GST, practical income tax, practical payroll accounting, practical finance, and then computer-based accounting and ERP package. After that, we have, if you want to do further courses, like you have a SAP end user course, GST expert course. Tomorrow we may bring out a QuickBooks, other. So anything like our focus, and then our guidance for you is in accounts and finance. Grow as a good candidate, expertise. Get that. What we say that knowledge is wealth. Let us earn it. We have an online and offline short-term course only. You can choose online courses. We have a 21 years to 60 years persons. That is accounting and finance is the only area which has a plenty of jobs. You have got a no retirement for that. That's a reason. You can work in India as well as in outside India, everywhere. Our people have been working. For your kind information, go to Google and then search Institute of Practical Accountancy. You get our feedback of our students that will help you. Okay, this is the reason. You can always reach us on our WhatsApp number 900904119. Just message us. We try to help you. supply the information. Okay. Thank you. Good day. All the best.